On our returning way to Panchalingeshwar, we visited Rissia Dam, which is the ideal place for the migratory birds. The dam is surrounded by forest. Lastly, beside the dam, we saw a playground where the tribal boys were playing football. And our Gautam sir started his games with the boys. We saw the sunset from Rissia Dam. The third day is ended with a great and memorable experience with our tourist friends.
You said never let